This review is on the Karcher 3000 psi, 2.5 gallon per minute remanufactured power washer, as seen here. We're going to go over some of the details, show you the power settings and the nozzle settings and things you can expect. First thing to notice is that you need to actually have the water on before you start, so you can't tell right here, but the water is on. The next thing to note is that this is a little flexible cord right here. And what you do is you put this in a bucket if you want to use chemicals or wash for spraying down. So what I do is I've got a bucket that I wash my car in. I fill it in with solution that you can buy from Karcher or really from anybody, and then I can use that to get a little extra soap and cleaning power. Although I will say it doesn't work great. It does work decent. Obviously it'd be much better if there was a built-in reservoir, but this model doesn't offer it. Alright, next I'm going to show you how easily this thing starts. So you put it on, pull off the choke, and we'll give it one pull. All there is to it. This is a 0-degree trigger. This is the most direct stream of water that you can get from the Karcher. This means it's the most powerful nozzle. This is a 15-degree nozzle, so this is not quite as direct as the other one. Now the nozzle should have no bearing on if it works or not. So as you can see, there's quite a bit of cleaning power. I'm back to the unit not working. This is using the 15-degree angle. You can see it works pretty well. Karcher sent me a new handle. The handle was actually broke on the unit, and that's why it wasn't spraying. But they were able to get me another unit, and since I live nearby, I actually got it the next day. So kudos to Karcher. Got a new handle. Sprays perfectly. First time you saw 15 degrees. This is 45 degrees or 40 degrees. See the broader spread. This is why it does not have variable speed, because you get variable outputs to the nozzle. So here's a white nozzle. Packaging for the washer. You can see it's a little loose in the box, but you know, it worked. It got here and it wasn't a problem, so maybe not a packaging engineer's dream, but it works, so no problems with me. Final verdict on the Karcher power washer. I'm actually say 4.5 stars because you know, it did have a defect when it got here, but they quickly made up for the problem, and it works great. The new handle, first time you spray, you get full force. The engine starts usually on the first pull, so it really is a dream. So there's a lot of good things here. You do have to kind of be a little concerned because it is remanufactured, but you know, again, Karcher handled my problems almost immediately. They bent over backwards, so I was very impressed. So 4.5 stars, close to 5 is a great value. Enjoy your power washer.